do it. Let's do this. Raichu GX Shining Legends Special Collection. Look at these beautiful Pikachus. Can't go wrong with them. Oof. Wonderful, wonderful artwork. And then we've got the one. Boop. Look at that beautiful card. Alright. And we got the wonderful Raichu coin. Good luck up there. And then the wonderfully done Raichu GX big card. They honestly do these very well. Alright guys, it looks like we've got one of each kind here with the Shining Legends.
I am super excited to see how we do this. Let's go.
YouTube. Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We got this. We got this. Warp Energy, Switch, Floatzel, Pulsey, Purloin, Golett, Shroomish, Quillfish, Palkia. Oh, look at that! It is the NTGX. Woohoo! Yes. All right. We are starting off with a bang. Not the Shining Mewtwo, but we want the Shining Mewtwo GX. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on. Lily, Sophocles, Carvine, Scraggy, Croconaw, Jinx, Pulsey, Torracat, a nice shiny energy, and another Palkia. Okay.
Are you in there, Mewtwo? Shiny Mewtwo and Mewtwo? That would just, make sense, right? Let's see. Let's see. I'd really love it if you're in there.
I'd almost cry. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do it. Golurk, Floatzel, Scrafty, Ivysaur, Jinx, Minun, Torkoal, Quillfish, Latios, and a Manaphy. Okay. Still not that shining GX one.
Hopefully it was good luck. Alright, let's get it done. Let's get it done.
Oh, baby. You know what? We're gonna change this one up and just go straight to it. Volcona and Verizon. Not what we wanted.
Come on. Come on, baby. We want you in there. Come on, we need 2 great pulls from this box. 2 great pulls from this box. Chant it, chant it. Come on, believe with me.
We've got this, we've got this. Please. Come on. Alright. I'd really cry. Oh my god. Come on, 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 come on. Damage Mover. Ultra Ball. Venusaur. Golett. Buzzio. Scraggy. Croconaw. Jinx. Switch. Oh my god, and I almost dropped it, but I didn't. Holy crap, it's another NTGX. Oh, wow. Okay. You know what? I can't be mad, but not exactly what I was looking for, but that's okay. We're gonna put that guy after a very close call catching him. But still catching him nonetheless. Thank you for watching.